Before you begin, make sure you're in a quiet and calm place where you won't be disturbed for some time. You can get comfortable by finding a position in which you will feel peaceful and calm. You can either sit or lie down, whichever works best for you. Once you've found the perfect position, you can unclench your jaw, relax your shoulders, do a light stretch if you want to, and when you're ready, you can slowly close your eyes. Now, I'd like you to take your attention to your breath. Start by taking a deep breath in through your nose, feeling how the air is filling your lungs, making your chest expand and your stomach rise. Hold the breath in for just a moment and then slowly exhale through your mouth, feeling how your chest is contracting, how your stomach is falling. Make sure you're breathing in a calm, natural pace, letting the air naturally move in and out of your body. Give yourself a moment to become truly immersed in this meditative silence. Feel how the air you're breathing is energizing you, rejuvenating your body and purifying your mind. Expressing gratitude is a powerful act. It not only reminds us of the importance of appreciating what we have, it also aids us in having a positive perspective of our lives, a perspective that allows growth and positive transformation to happen. I'd like you to think about something that awakens feelings of joy and contentment within you. It can be something you consider beautiful, something that is really dear to you. Give it a moment of your attention. Feel how the very thought is able to bring a smile to your face. Now, take a deep breath in, expressing your gratitude for having this thing in your life, feeling how this small act of expressing gratitude is able to warm your heart. Now, remind yourself of all the other things you can be grateful for, the opportunities you've been faced with, the conditions which have been met in order for you to thrive, even the strengths you possess, all the positive things you contain. Mentally list these things in your mind, letting the joyous feeling they bring uplift you. In this moment, let these things be a reminder that beauty can be present in your life. Breathe, expressing your gratitude, knowing that by doing this, you are aligning yourself with positivity and abundance. Gratitude can also mean being able to be thankful for having gone through challenges and setbacks, as these situations can help you evolve and become better. Give yourself a moment to appreciate the challenges that have made you become stronger. Breathe, acknowledging the importance of these challenges, being thankful for the positive change they've inspired within you. Now, as we reach the end of this session, I'd like you to come back to your breath once more. Take a few more deep breaths, coming back to your body, coming back to the space you're in. And when you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes.